Welcome back, video. So today we are back again with, and I'm gonna do a tackle. Let's go to 4. Okay, so let's get our attack. I'm gonna pick that one. Better overall. Okay. Harrison Barnes, that's cool. Alright, I have something in my mouth, but I'm gonna do I'm gonna do a game with him, so I'll see you guys in the game. Alright, we're back, and we lost the game. But, playing the Wizards, so that's how it goes. You probably can't hear me right now, but I'm sorry if you can't hear me. But, let's get this started. Shoot. I mean, no, my bad, 2 point. Let's do it. Let's go. What do you want me to call y'all, and I'll call you back, so. Alright, if you would have finished that, that would have been nice. Turn it down a little bit more. But we're losing right now, in the second. Alright, we're back, and let's get it started. Nice spin move. Honestly, I think Reggie Jackson is our best on our team. so that's good. Still that. He stepped out of bounds. Alright, I'm gonna make a Madden Mobile video, so you ready on that. Nice. Make that. Oh, if you would have made that, that would have been nice. That would have been a nice play. I'm concentrated right now, so. Nice, Allie. Ooh. Alright, guys, I'm back. I forgot to eat my fudge bar, so. And if you were close enough, probably. Nice.
The feeling start. I put a wall around my heart, but you're breaking it down. It falls to the ground, 'cause I have lost what you just found. The noise all around, I'm drowning it out, like we're the only ones in the crowd. 'Cause you save me now, save me now, save me now, save me now, save me
Save this right there. Easy. they can't stop us. Alright, I'll see you guys in the fourth quarter.